Outdoor living is all the rage right now, and I've got an incredible space designed specifically for a homeowner by Currin Outdoors. On this episode of The Best of Raleigh, we're taking a look at all things outdoor fun. Currin Outdoors is making a stellar reputation for yourselves, doing incredible outdoor spaces. What makes Currin Outdoors so different?
I think the biggest thing that makes us different is a true design build process, right? Where we have designers on staff and we have construction in-house. And so we're able to meet with that client, understand the vision that they want, make the right suggestions to them, and then manage that from the very beginning of drawings all the way through construction.
There is something to be said about turnkey, start to finish, one company involved. It makes the process smooth and fast.
So essentially we work on the project from the back door all the way to the property line. And so essentially we're handling porches and decks or adjustments in the door off the back of the house, all the way to the landscaping, the grading, the irrigation, lighting, swimming pools, patios, your kitchens and fire features. But essentially we build really, really nice outdoor living spaces with and without swimming pools.
They're great from design to implementation, very adaptable also to changing things during the process, and very happy with the product.
Jason, you are Director of Design for Currin Outdoors, and one of their big competitive advantages is the design build piece. How does that process work behind the scenes?
Well, the first thing we want to do is we really desire to get to know our clients. We want to know, how do you intend to use this space? How many people are in your family? How many people are average in your backyard versus, all right, do you hold big events throughout the year? We want to know all of those details. We're going to spend about an hour to 2 hours on site, really getting to understand your property, but most importantly, getting to understand the client. And then once we start on the formal design process, so we'll provide an initial concept to the client, and then we're going to go through multiple revisions until we nail that design.
Essentially the people that we work with are people that love enjoying time with their friends and their families, and they love doing that outside.
And you can do that in all kinds of different budgets, right?
We do. We have clients that spend $10,000 or $20,000 with us, and we have clients that spend several hundred thousands to $1 million with us. At the end of the day, the goal is to create a wish list, right, and build the scope of the project, and then we set realistic budgets. And if we need to adjust those, we'll have those conversations with you before we get into design and construction so that you understand the project you're getting into before we start.
If you're looking to have an outdoor space curated specifically for your family and your lifestyle, you heard from John and Jason what Currin Outdoors does so differently. You got to check them out on The Best of Raleigh. All their contact details are below. I highly recommend them, and so do their clients.